Thutha wa kiumia kimwe kia uthuthuria wa mitaratara iria itwaritwo mbunge-ini ikiendekithia kweherio kwa makamicina na kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka bururi-ini IEBC, kamiti ya mbunge igii watho na kihoto nitemanirie riboti yayo mbunge-ini umuthi thengia wa ung'ethaniri munene wa kiuteti kuma kuri ambunge ya Azimio. Kuhitukira muikariri giti wa kamiti ino uria nowe mbunge wa Tharaka George Murugara, JLAC yendekithitie kurugamio wira kwa makamicina ya kwa ihinda riri niguo kuhe mweke uthuthuria uria ugutabanio wigie mateta maria mamagumiire. Kamiti ino iguithanirie na nimagiriire kweherio kuma kamiti-ini ithurano na mihaka IEBC, na oho ikoria mutongoria wa bururi ndagitari William Ruto kuumba kamiti ya mwanya ya guthuthuria makamicina aya kumana na mitaratara ino iria yendekithitie kweherio kwao kuma wabici-ini na mithingi ya kwaga uigiririki.
Kuga ati andu aya maikitio thiini wa commission mena wira wa guka guthararia githurano, uguo ni cira muritu muno tondu ni cira urakuhiriria kindu getagwo treason. Muthungu oigaga ni giko sacrilegious ati mundu no arugame ende kuruithia bururi wake tondu maundu maria commission acio na mendaga gwika bomas tiga ni uria a Kenya mari akuoku kugiari na bara njuru kwiria ya 07 na 08.
Undu uyu na kuri uguo ni ucungirie uregani munene ni ambunge a mwena wa mung'ethaniro makiuga watho ndunarumirirwo hari gukinyanirio kwa itua riri, noguo makehita kung'ethanira nario na njira ciothe cia kiwatho magikuruhania Kenya Kwanza na kuingiria uteti mihang'o-ini ino.
The motive is to clear the path to return this country to the draconian dark old days. We are being prepared to go back to the dark old KANU days, using this house as a conduit or as a convenient tool. We, as members of the Azimio One Kenya Coalition Party, have refused to be party to the charade that is going on in this house.
This matter is not going to end here. Us, when we are speaking in Parliament, we are speaking on behalf of the Kenyan people. The sovereign power of the people was donated to Parliament. But when the sovereign power is misused and misapplied, then the Kenyan people under Article 1 have the right to recall their sovereignty.
Munini wa muikariri giti wa IEBC Juliana Cherera na makamicina Irene Masi, Justus Nyang'aya na Francis Waderi magomeirwo ni mateta ma gukorwo megemeire mwena umwe wa kiuteti hindi ya githurano kinene kia mwaka uyu, kugeria guthararia wendi wa muingi wa bururi kuhitukira guthoga maumirira ma githurano hamwe na mangi thiini wa mitaratara ene ya kumeheria ituro-ini cia weri mbere ya bunge. Ngirivotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Muhura wa Gunya.